Alright guys, not sure you see that. But we got a package in today from our sponsor, CNHL, China Hobby Line. And I'm not sure exactly what it is. I have an idea, at least partial. But it's, I mean, I know they said they were sending me something, so I'll put it to you that way. So bear with me 1 second. We'll see what we can do about speeding this up a little. Not sure what recorded and didn't record, but we got the package open. We got a nice new hat, so you'll be seeing me sport that. It's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. I dig it. And some new merch. Oh, that's nice. So, won't be long before you see me wearing this too. It's pretty nice. I want to thank the guys over at CNHL. They're awesome. They've been real good to us. Same with our other sponsors, you know, Winners Union, Energetics, and all that. But anyways, these are what I was inquiring about. It's more for the speed runs and whatnot. I needed something in between, so they got me a 3S, 8,000 mAh Deans, and that's what I use. So very similar to our 4S ones, just 3S, and it's 8,000 rather than 9. So we got 4 of them, so don't be surprised to see them out there pretty quick. We'll get them charged up and start doing some speed runs with them. And again, that's freaking awesome. I'm excited. I needed a new hat. Not sure you guys see mine. Mine's getting pretty rough. Yeah, so I also wanted to say, I'm not sure if this made it in there, but I'll put it in there at the end right now. There's a new speedrun competition going on. It's at Bargain Bashers RC. He's a smaller channel, like 200 or so, so go check them out. The link's in the description. It's for us budget guys, you know, all of our ready-to runners, the smallers, the 112s, the 116s, anything. I think he said it was anything under $150 value. So, and they're going to be categories by type. So, for example, I have a Piranha PX Toys 9200, which is similar to what he's running. He's got a 9200, but it's a different manufacturer. There's a lot of that. It's just like the WLs, all that stuff. So I'll be putting a couple of those out there. You know, I got some fast WLs. So anyways, so like and subscribe, guys. And I want to thank the guys over at CHL. This is awesome. China Hobby Line. Links will be in the description for them as well. I got some new merch to wear. Pretty excited. And some new batteries. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. So I might make a thumbnail like that. How's that look, guys? Anyways, like and subscribe, guys, and go check everybody out. This is just a short one, just a quick update. We'll be doing a lot of bench times the next couple of days. I got a lot of cars to fix, so I'm gonna be starting with TTO2B. That'll be next on the bench. My run videos will probably be most of my ready to runners. All my TAMIYAs are all in pieces, so they need some work. So you'll get a lot of that. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys, and I appreciate all you. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.